Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps from Windows 10. So there are few ways of uninstalling apps on Windows 10 and let's see what are they. So the first option to uninstall an app from Windows 10 is to go to this start menu and then go to all apps, and whatever app you want to uninstall, for example this Google Chrome, right click on the icon and you will see this option called uninstall. Click this option and then you will be guided to the old uninstallation menu here, and here you can just select your app which you want to uninstall and then click uninstall. So this is one way of uninstalling your app. Second way of uninstalling your app is just go to start menu once again and then go to settings here, and in the settings go to systems, and in the systems go to apps and features. Click this option. Okay, and here you will be able to see all the list of your apps. Okay, so here you see all the apps which are installed in your system, and for example I want to uninstall once again Google Chrome. I select this Google Chrome from here and I will see this uninstall option which you can press and uninstall your app. Okay, now the third way of uninstalling apps on Windows 10 is the normal old school style, which is go to this search option here and here search for control panel. So control panel, and just open this control panel and you will see this old styled control panel, and in here you can just select the program option and here you can select the uninstall a program and you will be guided to this interface which is for uninstalling your program. So select your app and click this uninstall button to uninstall your app. So these are the few ways of uninstalling any app on your Windows 10. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye.